This is center town of Nebisa Region. Nebisa Region, west of Jerusalem. Bakit dyan? Okay.
Ayaw niya.
Okay, let's go. Dito daw tayo bababa. This is the town of Nebisa
Mount
Region.
Hermon. Pili doon ni ano yan, Anat Meron. Meron Street.
Meron.
Meron.
Yan.
Okay.
Like the word. Meron.
Meron ini Tagalog. Asaan?
Meron na saan? No, meron. Mayroon dito. Hindi yung nasaan. Meron means we have in English.
Meron nga, meron.
Wow, yellow car. Look at that. It looks nice.
We have here something to eat.
Baba din eh.
Grado ka dyan? Dito naman yata eh.
Doon daw. Dito daw.
Kasi ano yan eh. Yun yung nakita nating ano kanina. Explore muna natin itong lugar na to bago tayo pumunta dyan. Eh, alas una pa lang eh. Alauna. Alas 3 pa yung okay. I love this town. Small town but it's very nice. It looks like new couples live here. New town, new building, and Nebisa Region, west, I think, if I don't mistaken, west of Jerusalem. Okay. Kung titingnan nyo, wala masyadong tao kasi ngayon po ay Shabbat. So, according to the Jewish religion, tradition, Shabbat is a Sabado or Saturday is their a holiday of the Jewish religion, Shabbat. So everybody at home and no one go out if it's you are religious or not religious. There are no work. Everybody will rest because of Shabbat holiday. But some of people are go out. That is not religious people. Only the religious people to follow Shabbat. They don't want to drive. They just walk, but not further at the home, close to the home. It's allowed, and close to synagogue. So ito po ang Nebisa Region, town of Nebisa. It's very nice. I love this place. I love this place. It's very quiet. Quiet.
Wow, glass.
This is my beautiful wife. My beautiful son. Handsome son. My handsome older son. Nilalaglag namin yung aming kakainin kasi mamaya mayroon pa kaming kakain. Naghanap ako ng makulit na mabibilan sana ng cola. Wala naman. Hindi kagaya ng Tel Aviv.
City daw Maghahanap ko siya ng city.
Hindi ito city na city, town lang ito.
Buti na lang
Kasi
pababa.
kung city,
Buti na lang pababa siya.
explore natin lahat to para walang sayang.
Ayun oh.
Para isang punta lang natin dito. Malit lang naman ang town nito eh, kaya doon din palang bagsak natin oh. Yun oh, hindi na natin kanina. Parang tinignan lang natin kung may makulit. Wala namang makulit. Walang store na maliit na open 24 hours. So we had no choice to go back to our bus station. Oh wow, Nibisharet. Love it. I love the place. Nibisharet, Israel. Okay, hanggang dito na lang po ang aking vlog. Patuloy po kayong sumubaybay sa aking mga vlog dahil marami pa akong i-upload ng mga bagong video. See you soon. Bye. From Israel.